Nakakalungkot na balita, Mike Enriquez pumanaw na ngayong August 29, 2023. It is with profound sadness that GMA Network announced the passing of our beloved kapuso, Mr. Michael Mike C. Enriquez, who peacefully joined our creator on August 29, 2023. Enriquez, 71, was one of the anchors of GMA's flagship newscast 24 Oras and hosted the long-running public affairs program Investigador. He also served as president of RGMA Network Incorporated and GMA Network's senior vice president and consultant for radio operations. He also anchored DZVV's Super Balita sa umaga and Saksi sa Double B. He joined the broadcast industry in 1969 and then became part of GMA Network in 1995, wholeheartedly serving the Filipino audience for 54 years.